Do you have a new or slightly used prom dress you no longer want to keep? Or do you know someone who wants to give away a prom dress? Starting January 2nd, the Ocean County Library is returning with its 16th annual prom dress collection. The prom dress collection is for anyone who wishes to donate new or gently used prom dresses for our prom dress giveaway that will take place in March. Donations will be collected at all of the Ocean County Library branches until February 23rd. Before you donate, please ensure your items meet the following criteria: short or long styles within the last 5 years, dry clean dresses ready for attending prom, and all dresses must be clean and in good condition, i.e. no rips, tears, or stains. Lastly, we will not be accepting accessories, shoes, or purses. For more details, check out our website at www.theoceancountylibrary.org, visit your local branch, or call us at 732-349-6200. We appreciate any and all of your donations.